If you're looking for an easy and cozy breakfast idea, which also is kid friendly, today I'm going to be showing you how to make white porridge, which is just delicious. So over here I have a few ingredients which I know you have in your pantry. So I have some maize flour or corn flour, some margarine, sugar, and milk. To get started, I'm going to be placing a pot over medium heat. In my pot I have 2 cups of water, and I also have 1.5 cup of maize flour. So I'm going to add my maize flour in my water. You're going to stir in the maize flour or corn flour into the water until the pot comes to a boil. This is to avoid lumps in the porridge. As the pot is coming to a boil, the white porridge is going to become thick. You can see mine is getting thick. So at this point, when everything is fully combined, just like this, you're going to add in 1 cup of milk as you stir. The milk is going to add in a lot of creaminess to your white porridge. So mine is looking very nice and creamy. I'm going to add in sugar. Stir in the sugar into the white porridge. This is how my uji is looking. It's not thick and it's not runny, it's just in between. Once the sugar is fully combined into your white porridge, you're going to let this simmer on low for around 2 to 4 minutes. The recipe is going to make around 4 cups of white porridge, which you can serve for your family for breakfast. So it will take you about 10 minutes to prepare the white porridge and breakfast will be ready. Also, I said earlier that this is a kid-friendly recipe, which is very nutritious because the maize meal has starch, which keeps you full for longer, and also the milk adds a lot of creaminess and nutrients to your uji. At this point, I'm going to be adding in my margarine. Give the margarine a good stir and let the uji cook for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, this is how my uji is looking and it's ready. It's smelling so good because I added some margarine. And I know most of you are familiar with this kind of porridge. So yes, you can also try out making this for breakfast. Over here I have some chia seeds. This is how the chia seeds look like, and also I have poppy seeds, so you can use the seeds to top up in your white porridge and make the white porridge even more nutritious. With cheap pantry ingredients, which I know you definitely have, you can try out this white porridge, which is very nutritional and healthy.